In this video, we will talk about comments in SQL. So comments are for the purpose of readers of the SQL queries and not for SQL. So SQL simply ignores the comments, but you can always refer to the comments if you want to understand the query. So I write a query here, select star from employees. Okay. So in different SQL platforms, different comment symbols are used. For example, in MySQL, for single line comment, we use this symbol hash. And here I can write, this will fetch all records from employees table. Okay, I will run this. Okay, only this part of the query will be considered by SQL, and this part is just for the reference of the human being, whoever is reading this query. Okay, so this comment has nothing to do with SQL, but it's just for the reference. Okay, and similarly, you can also write multi-line comments in SQL using this. Okay, like I am a multi-line comment. Okay, and to close the multi-line comment, again you have to use star and then backslash. Multi-line comments start with backslash and star, and then star and backslash to close it. Okay, in between you can write whatever. SQL will not consider it. It is just for your reference. If you would have to write it with single line comments, you would have to put the hash symbol in front of each line. Okay, let me write a where condition where hire underscore date is greater than or equal to 19980101. Okay, so it fetches all of the employees where the hire underscore date is greater than this date. Okay, now let's say I want to comment down the where clause, so I can do that also using the hash symbol. So I commented on the where clause. Now it will fetch all of the employees. So you can also comment down part of your SQL query if you do not want to execute it for a particular instance. Okay, here let's say I can write another for hire underscore date is less than or equal to 199712 and 12 and 31. Okay, so let me run this. So here it will fetch all of the employees that were not fetched by the earlier query. So you can also use multi-line comments here if you want to just comment down both. Okay, so that's all about comments in SQL.